Hi lovely people, hope you're well. Depthofshine, welcome back. Not the best weather, hopefully it's going to pick up from tomorrow. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around in the unit, what we've been up to. It's a little bit cloudy and I'm not sure if it's going to rain, so we'll just keep the car just inside. The customer's coming shortly, so we'll just give you a quick walk around. It's a BMW M2 Competition that's had Xpel paint protection film fitted to some of the front end, the bumper, the bonnet, wingtips, and we've also modified some parts, but we'll just walk around and show you. So let's go. So it's looking nice, and I forgot the name. Is it Hockenheim silver, I think, off the top of my head? So yeah, it's had Ultimate Plus, Xpel Ultimate Plus applied to the bumper, bonnet, wingtips, which are about there. You can just about see. So I think the customer's on a bit of a budget, wanted to protect as much as he could, so the main areas, and then in 12 months he's going to see how he gets on. Mirrors are done as well. Headlights, the grille, which was pretty hard, the grille, all the black grille's done, and then the whole bumper was actually just one piece, so the whole thing from there all the way across to there was one piece, and the only other piece, sorry, it was just the lower piece, which is just there. So the rest of it, all this is one piece, so it's pretty hard to get on your own, but managed to get it done. Obviously all the edges wrapped. Edges. You gotta be careful here. If you go too far, you can start to get dirt trapped. But there's a bit of a compromise there, so pretty well lined up. Wrapped underneath there. Mirrors. We've also added a pillar and the roof piece finishes just there where my finger is. So that's that. Also done a sill piece. We've chopped the sills down, so instead of having the whole sill, we've chopped it down. He just wanted the front part, and then on the rear from about there backwards there's a part. So that's that. And then rear quarters. So normally there's a factory piece that goes on there. So we remove that, and what we've done instead of, normally it's the whole side, we've cut it just under the swage line. So all that there is protected. And then also we've got a rear splash kit which just goes down there and across. And then edges wrapped inside there. Extended the kit and wrapped inside the door. So yeah, it's looking nice. So the customer's going to detail it himself. Oh yeah, and then we applied the rear bumper strip just across the rear bumper. So there you go. So there you go folks, hope you like it. As I say, we're going to put it outside, but the weather doesn't look the best. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be sunny, let's hope. We've had a bit of rain. There you go, hope you like it. As I say, we'll try and do another video of actually how we modify the kits. We had to do quite a lot of modifying, extending it, wrapping edges, cutting parts down. We'll try and do that with a big camera, but I just wanted to give you a quick walk around, a quick update. Alright, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.